Hey, little girl, pick any pet you'd like.
Thanks. What are you doing in here, Mr. Kitty Cat?
A space-time vortex opened up on my home planet, Thundera, and I suddenly found myself on Earth, where cats apparently don't share the same rights as humans.
You're so cute. I choose you. I can't wait for show and tell.
Vicky has cooties. Vicky has cooties.
Stop it, Billy.
Vicky does not have cooties. Anyone else? Huh? Anyone else? Come on, I got 9 lives and a whole can of whoop-ass.
Bad. Bad, Mr. Kitty Cat.
Fine. I overreacted. Sorry, everybody. Sorry, that one's on me. Please, stop that.
This is my new pet. His name is Mr. Kitty Cat, and I got him at the pound.
Actually, my name is Lionel, leader of the ThunderCats. I'm the chosen one. Oh, come on, Vicky. Aren't we still friends? Huh? BFF?
No.
Oh, Vicky!
Go to hell.
Don't worry, Lion-O. We'll find you a home.
Miss Prissy Pants, stop fussing with your bowl.
Both sucks. And my name is Lionel, leader of the ThunderCats. Sworn to...
See, grouchy kitties don't get any tuna.
I better get some freaking tuna.